Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to sign up for the Lifedao with the coupon code. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your membership, use your special coupon code, complete all the required steps, and get fully onboarded in just a few minutes. This whole process should take less than 7 minutes, so let's dive in. So here we are on the website on the lifedao.io. Let me show you how to get started. First, look for the login button and click on it. Now that we are on the login page, we need to click on Get Your Membership since we are new users. This will redirect us to the membership customization page where we will start our application. Perfect. We are now on the Customize Your Membership page. As you can see, the Lifedao makes it very clear that applying takes no more than 7 minutes. The website has a helpful progress tracker on the right side showing us exactly what steps we need to complete. Let's start with the first step, personal information. Here I need to fill my details as they appear on my ID. So let me enter my first name, last name, date of birth, and country of residence. I will select my gender as well. I also need to provide my weight and height. Now I will fill in my contact information, email address, phone number, and physical address. Before proceeding, I need to check the box to agree to the Lifedao's privacy policy. Now I will click Next Step to continue. We are now on the Lifestyle and Health Information page. This section helps the Lifedao customize your membership based on your health profile. For the first question, I will select None since I don't use any. For pre-existing medical conditions, I will select No. But notice that if you do have a pre-existing condition, you can click to view the list of relevant conditions. This information is important because it affects your benefits and rates. Now I will click on Next Step to continue to the next section. Now we are at the contribution section where we can choose how much to contribute yearly. You can see the Lifedao shows us our potential benefit payout range right at the top. And with the slider, we can adjust and select our yearly contribution. Now here's the important part. Let's apply our coupon code. So under Apply Discounts, you'll see a field where we can enter our coupon or referral code. We will type our coupon code and then click on the Apply button. Great, our coupon has been applied, and you can see it's now listed under the discount section. We can also add the referral code. Just make sure to submit it separately. Let's now click on Next Step to continue. Now we are on the beneficiary details page. This is a crucial step. We need to specify who should receive the payout if something happens to us. I will enter the beneficiary's first name, last name, date of birth, and their relationship to me. Next, I need to provide their email address and phone number. Contact information is also required, and there is an optional address field. Notice the checkbox at the bottom that lets you notify your beneficiary that they've been added. This is a thoughtful feature that keeps everyone informed. Once all fields are complete, I will click Next Step to proceed to the final section. The final step is to review and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to either watch the short video or read through these carefully as they outline the rights and responsibilities of your membership. After reviewing, check the box to confirm you've read and agree to the terms. Now we are ready to submit our application. Click the Submit button to complete your membership application. You'll then receive an email on your address to create your password. Once your password created, go back to the website, click on Login, and connect your account. And just like that, we are in. Welcome to the Lifedao dashboard. As you can see, there are still a few steps to complete to fully activate your membership. Step 1 is to activate your membership by choosing a wallet type. You have two options, in-app wallet or Web3 wallet. So the in-app wallet is a secure built-in wallet where you can pay with credit card or direct crypto transfers. Or you can choose a Web3 wallet such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect and pay directly using your existing cryptos. I will select Create Wallet for the in-app option, and I will receive a verification code on my email address. And just like that, our in-app wallet is activated. And since we are using a coupon code here, as you can see, we won't have to pay anything. Step 2 will be the KYC verification. You'll need to choose your country and an official document such as a passport or your driving license to verify your identity. And once verified, you can complete the last step, which is a digital signature. And that's it. You're now officially on your way with the Lifedao. From here, you can check your dashboard to view your profile, update details, and keep track of your membership status. And you can also start earning rewards by referring your friends using your unique referral code. Feel free to explore the Lifedao to learn more about the perks, tools, and how the DAO works. And if you ever get stuck or have questions, just hit up the support chat and the team will always be there to help you out. Don't forget to join us on our socials to stay updated, connect with fellow members, and share your feedback. This community is being built with you and for you. Thanks for joining the movement and welcome to the Lifedao family.